What's up, everybody? Got a really small project today. I've got this chair, and they're supposed to ratchet, or the arms are supposed to ratchet back and forth. So this one does not, and you can hear a little rattle inside it. So we're going to take it apart and see if we can fix it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is come down here and remove these two bolts. Turns out it is a 12 millimeter. All right, now that that's off, so I don't know if you can hear it. Should not be making that noise. So, got my other tool. Gonna take this off and see what's underneath it. So it looks like here's the slider, and it seems to be under this part. It seems to be under this part. And found these in there. So I think we're going to be able to fix this. Good God, I think they used like blue Loctite on this thing. Yep. Okay, so figured it out. So there's a hole here and a hole there. A spring goes into that with a ball on it, and then that rides against this channel. So if I put the spring and the ball back into the hole and guide it along this rail, it'll now make the clickies. And then the other two springs go on these two, which then rest on top of it, I guess to like make it more smooth or something. Anyway, that's how it goes together. So now I just got to put it back and see if that works. Got that back on. Now let's see if all of its functions are working. We're good. It's all working. Just got to put the cap or the armrest back on it, bolt it back up to the chair, and it's been fixed. I hope that this actually helps you guys for maybe a problem with your chair. They're pretty rudimentary and not very complicated. So, you know, if you do have a busted chair, give it a try. You never know. You might be able to save yourself from throwing it out, and your repair might cost nothing like this one did. Give it a try. All right, I'm out. I hope you have a good one. This was a really quick and easy project. I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.